What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFO tokens to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. So just a friendly reminder, I've been recovering a little bit from a cold, so you might hear my voice a little raspy, and it's like the weather here in Chicago is terrible, so you can tell no sleep right now. It's just that humid, but I'm really happy to present more Theta news for you guys. So if you don't mind just hitting that like and subscribe button for letting me put in the effort for being the consistency for the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Starting on X, we're going to see that here Mitch Loop posts, congrats to all the Theta Network Hackathon 24 winners. This year we saw a record-breaking 1,300 plus participants with super impressive submissions, tons of interest in AI devs across the board, from autonomous AI agents, Edge Cloud AI inference marketplace, Gen AI apps, tools, and AI infrastructure on Edge Cloud, AI generated video content, and Gen AI based game creation suite, and much more. Going on to the Theta Network posts themselves, another successful Theta Hackathon in the books, thanks to all the awesome developers and teams that submitted projects to this edition, helping to build the decentralized future of AI in media and entertainment. Without further ado, here are the winners. Just scrolling and highlighting down a couple that they mentioned themselves. It says first place overall is awarded the Theta Agents SDK, runner-up is the Theta AIM, the winner of the Gen AI track is Paint Magical 3D, the winner of the Edge Cloud track is Theta Form, the winner of the video rendering track is T-Play, the winner of the gaming track is Theta Gen AI Games. We'd also like to thank 10 more excellent projects that received an honorable mention. This Photon, The Tune, kind of like sounds like Theta Tune, but The Tune, HumanAds.live, Theater, Stake Shield, Rag App Studio, Dogzilla, Theta Bash, Gamma Flow, and last but not least, Steam.gift. Congrats to all the winners and thanks to all the hackathon participants. Stay tuned as we will profile each winner in the upcoming blogs. Each of the top 6 winners have also won tickets to ThetaCon in December of 2024, so we look forward to seeing the further work on these projects presented there. So of course I know I went through that very quickly, but you had more. If you'd like to click on this link, like I said, I'll put it down below in the description somewhere. Check that out, and then you can also probably pause each one when I was announcing each video. It tells you a little bit more about each one, like a really quick bio and introduction, but that's just the premise. I don't want to dive too deep into it and let the video drag on too long. Maybe later on in the future videos, or I'll be able to go on a deeper dive of the winners, but for right now I just want to mention it and then just keep on to the broader topic of the Theta Hackathon. Continue on to Jinyan here, says congratulations to all the Theta Network 24 Hackathon winners. Here's that link if you want to go into that more detailed description, but like I mentioned before, I'll just click on the image. You can see the winners like I mentioned earlier. You can see all the winners that are tagged with a banner on the top left here as well, and then you can just go into more detail like I said later on. But it's really interesting because we do know that the winners, not only did I mention that they are invited to the ThetaCon event, but there's also monetary value other than just also more insight from being a part of the team for Theta Network. I forgot the total amount, but like I believe it's more than $200,000, not just for one winner, but like divided up amongst all the winners. So that's a lot of money being thrown at an organization. I'm sure they just don't want to. When I say that, I'm sure Theta Network doesn't want to just throw away $200,000 to just some sort of project that just doesn't make sense into a random winner. I'm sure that's not the whole point of these Theta hackathons. I feel like it's more to build onto the Theta Network, but that's just my whole idea as to helping grow these other organizations. I feel like they just don't want to waste money. If you are familiar with any of these type of winners, or if you're the winners here like I said and you watch these videos, please put some thoughts and comments down below. If you want to work together in some sort of promotion, we can talk about that in other details, but it'd be nice to see if some of these hackathon winners actually do watch these videos. That'd be very exciting. Continue on by going back on the Mitch here as well. It says the AI training model is now supported on Edge Cloud in addition to AI inference. This is one of the most asked features by their customers and a major release for Theta Network. Well done, Jihe and the team. Here you can even see Jihe post as well. AI model training has just arrived on Theta Network Edge Cloud. This is a major step towards enabling full AI dev cycle on Edge Cloud and paves the way for clients such as Kais to leverage their high-end GPUs to train cutting-edge Gen AI models. Going on to the part 2 of this, we're going to see with new features you can launch a high-end GPU node such as NVIDIA A100s for model training and any other compute task with just a few clicks, and then connect it to the SSH. Check out for the documentation here. So overall, I'm just hopefully with this AI model training has arrived so that if other developers want to utilize this AI models that they want to use and showcase on their own platform, I'm hoping that Kais is just the breaking point for other developers to join and hop into this type of Theta network. AI interference by global adoption in a sense, but we shall see. I did demo it and I showed a showcase before on a previous video like last week about the whole Kais, about using my own image in some of the clothes that they use on their own platform. It didn't turn out the best, but I'm hoping that it'll showcase a little bit better and improve as time goes on. That's just my own opinion, guys. Put some thoughts and comments down below if you've used some of the technology yourself on the AI platform, and then your thoughts there. If you like it, pros, cons, like things that they need to work on. I feel like there are some things that they have to improve on, but it's just the beginning, like I said. But they had a multi-year agreement. It didn't say how long the agreement's for. I'm just hoping for more than just 2 years, more than 3. I'm hoping for a 5+ year agreement. I haven't seen any news on how long the agreement was. If you guys were able to find that type of information, please comment down below. So going on to one last thing, of course, I want to mention as well that Jihi post as well. Congrats to all the Theta Network Hackathon winners, and thanks to all the participants. There are numerous impressive submissions. Many of these exceed their wildest expectations of how developers leverage Edge Cloud. So I'm hoping for some of these Theta Hackathon winners to continue to build on their platform for Theta Network as well, and then maybe even create some partnerships amongst themselves between other organizations that we know with Amazon Web Services, Google. So we shall see, Samsung, those type of things, but we shall see. Only time will tell. Like I said, I just want to mention some of the winners that were highlighted at least for this year. I feel like they deserve some sort of credit and highlight at least some more information for those watching this channel when it comes to Theta Network updates, programs, or any kind of new Theta affiliates in some sort of manner. So overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, especially if you're trying to find as much of the Theta Hackathon winners for this year. I personally am looking forward to more development for the Theta Hackathon winners, but we shall see. Only time will tell. So if you really are trying to stay involved with the Theta community, stay tuned with my channel. And if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens, check out my Guardian node or check out my Elite Edge node if you want to stake your T-Fuel. Either way, help out my channel, help the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really am looking forward to the future of Theta, but until the next Theta network update, until the next Theta network video, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Height. Deuces.